Hi everyone, this is Brady Volp with the Volp Firm, and now we're going to show you how to install NanoVNA Saver on a Windows PC. It's super easy. We're just going to head right over to the GitHub page, which I will have the link in the show notes below. It's github.com, nanovna-saver / nanovna/saver. Details are on here, but on a Windows machine, it's super easy. Just go down, and we're looking for the binary releases here. You can just right click on here, open that link in a new page, and it's going to take you to the binary releases. We have a binary for Windows. We also have a binary for Linux. So for your Linux users, I'm not going to make a video on this. If you're a Linux user, you should be able to figure out how to use the binary yourself. But for you Windows user, you can just right click on that binary, and we're going to save the link as, and that'll pop up a window, and I'm going to save it to my downloads folder. So go ahead and save that. It's really quick. I can just get this out of the way, and then I'm going to open up the folder. I'm going to go into my downloads folder, and right there it is, NanoVNA Saver. Just going to go ahead and drag and drop that right onto my desktop and make this go away. Now I'm going to double click that. When I double click that, we're going to get this little warning message here that we're protected by Windows Bitdefender here, whatever it's called. But I'm going to click on that More Info button. And the reason it's not letting me open that up is because it's an unknown publisher. We grabbed this off of GitHub. We have to trust the publishers on GitHub there. So make sure you know what you're grabbing from. And we're going to click on Run Anyway. So when we run anyway, that's going to allow the application to start up, and there we go. There is our Windows VNA application up and running. If we look down here under the serial port control, I already have my NanoVNA plugged in, so it has detected it on COM3. If you did not have it plugged in, you can click Rescan. You can also click the drop down here and see if you have any other devices that it may have accidentally misconnected. I only have one device plugged in, so I know that's the NanoVNA. And now I can click on Connect to Device. As soon as you connect to the NanoVNA, it's already going to take one swept response. So we see my S21 gain and my S11 response up here. I go into my sweep settings, and I can click on Continuous Sweep. Exit out of there, and now I can start sweeping. And every swept response, we're going to get an update from NanoVNA here. So we know it's working for S21 and S11 parameters. If I connect a cable on my NanoVNA, then we're going to start seeing some actual real responses there. So that is it, folks. Super easy to get NanoVNA Saver up and running on Windows. We can do it on Mac, Windows, and we also have the binary in there if we want to get it running on Linux. So easy peasy, we're up and running. Thanks everyone for watching.